Welcome to another video on how to create a custom cursor for your WordPress website. In this tutorial, we will explore a new feature that was recently added, the velocity. This feature allows you to apply a velocity effect to your cursors. To use this feature, you need to install the WP Custom Cursors plugin and go to the plugin settings. There, you can click on the Add New Cursor button. On the next page, you can either click on the Create link or select Cursor Maker from the left menu. Let's create a new shape cursor as an example. You can adjust the width and height of the cursor as you wish and change the color and the blending mode. We will use the multiply blending mode for this cursor. The new feature is located under the blending mode. There is a drop-down menu for the velocity effect. You can choose between two options, XY and resize. The XY option applies the velocity effect to both the X and Y axis of the cursor. This means that the cursor will change its shape depending on whether you move it horizontally or vertically. The resize option simply resizes the cursor based on the velocity or the cursor movement speed. We will use the XY option for this cursor. Let's also adjust the outer circle a little bit. When you are done, click on the Save Cursor button. The cursor will be saved and you can add it to your page. Now we are ready to see the result. Let's go to the front of our website and check out our new cursor. You can see that the cursor has a velocity effect and it changes its shape according to the cursor movement speed. Let's also try the resize option. We will create another cursor and select the resize option from the drop-down menu. After saving the cursor and adding it to the page, let's go to the front of our website again and refresh the page. You can see that the cursor has a resize effect, and it resizes based on the cursor movement speed. I hope you like our plugin. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it for free from the WordPress repository and enjoy creating custom cursors for your website.